Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data ethics knowledge with FutureLearn, full guides. To enhance your data ethics knowledge using FutureLearn, begin by visiting the FutureLearn website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, use the search bar to find courses related to data ethics. Select a course that suits your interests and needs. Review the course details, including the syllabus, duration, and level of expertise required. Consider enrolling in multiple courses for a comprehensive view of data ethics. After enrollment, familiarize yourself with the course layout and learning materials. Engage actively with the course content by watching videos and reading articles. Take notes on key concepts to reinforce your understanding. Participate in discussion forums to connect with other learners. Ask questions and share insights to deepen your understanding of the subject. Complete quizzes and assignments as they provide practical applications of your learning. Utilize any provided resources, such as reading materials or external links. Set a study schedule to keep pace with the course requirements. If available, join live sessions to interact with instructors and peers in real time. As you progress, reflect on how the knowledge gained can be applied in real-world scenarios. Once the course is completed, explore additional resources or courses to continue your education in data ethics. Consider sharing your newly acquired knowledge with colleagues or in professional networks. Regularly revisit course materials for a refresher and to stay updated on best practices in data ethics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.